I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward, outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. You've got to take risks, and I'm sure you've probably heard that before. You never had, you have to do something you never did. And what you don't know. It's about being open to people and to ideas. So the chances you take, the people you meet, the people you love, the faith that you have, that's what's going to define you.
A sense of wonder.
You already know that dedication, hard work, and perseverance give positive results.
It's the magic of risking everything for